Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to verify Snapchat phone number. So if you want to verify your Snapchat phone number, or don't know how to go about it, then there's a video for you. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to verify your Snapchat phone number, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Snapchat app. This could be on Android, could be on iPhone. Then click on the Bitmoji at the top left. Locate and click on the settings icon at the top right. On the settings space, scroll down, click on mobile number, and here you'll be prompted to select your country, type in your phone number. Then once you type your phone number, go ahead and click on the verify button. Once you hit verify, just hang on, then you should see verification code. Now, Snapchat will send you a verification code. In most cases, this code will be sent to your WhatsApp account. So go ahead and type in the verification code. Then after that, hit the continue button. You should see verify. Then this is going to verify your phone number on Snapchat. If you hit the back button, then you should see your phone number on Snapchat like this. So that is basically how to verify Snapchat phone number. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.